boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about compound words. What is a compound word? Sydney?
It's two words combined together to make one big word.
Ooh, anybody else have any different ideas? Yeah, let's see. A compound word is a word made up of two or more words. You're right. Let's look at some examples of compound words. Let's look at this one. Cat plus fish equals catfish, right? Now, some of you might be thinking, what is a catfish? Well, let's talk about how each meaning of each individual word can help us with that compound word. Raise your hand if you know what a cat is. Okay? Raise your hand if you know what a fish is. All right? Now, there's something on a cat on its face that goes out. Lex?
Whiskers.
Whiskers. And guess what? A catfish is a fish, but it has whiskers that come out the side. How many of you have ever been to a Mudcats game or seen a Mudcat slogan? What do you call Muddy? What is he?
A catfish.
He's a catfish. You're exactly right. Okay, the next one. Let's look at this one. We have book plus worm. Matthew, what compound word would that be if we put those two together?
Bookworm.
Bookworm. Excellent. Okay, here are just a few more examples of compound words. One of my favorite things to eat, cupcakes. Ainsley, what two words do you see in the word cupcakes?
Cup and cake.
Yes, you're exactly right. And a cup, we know what a cup is, right? Okay, it's kind of small, and we know what a cake is. So a cupcake is a small cake. All right? Football. Sydney, what two words?
Foot and ball.
Foot and ball. Now, let's think about this. We know we have a foot, right? And we know what a ball is. So if you put the two together, you get football, because with a football, you could kick it with your foot. We also could throw it. And the last one is butterfly. And we know that that's an insect, right? Lex, what two words do you see in butterfly?
Butter and fly.
Excellent. All right, let's go to our next part. Can you think of more compound words? Now, and it says type a list here. So I'm going to come over to my computer, and I want you to just think for a minute. What would be a good example of a compound word? Lex, give me one.
Dog food.
Dog food. Oh, there's a squiggly line under that. Do we know why? Sydney.
It's wrong.
It's not a compound word. And you know what, Lex? I found when I was typing this lesson, there are tons of words out there that we think are compound words, but then we find out they're not. So, crazy. So we can't use dog food. So let's try another one. Trial and error. Sydney, do you have one?
Rainbow.
Did you say rainbow?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's see. Rainbow. What is wrong with this one? Well, let's see. Whoop. I know rainbow. Okay, good. All right. What's another one? Who has another one? Sydney?
Soccer ball.
Ooh, soccer ball. Do we think that's one? Maybe. Okay, actually soccer ball is not one. All right. What's another one? Let's just throw out some. It's okay if we're right or wrong.
Classroom.
Classroom. Ah, it likes it. Yes, it took the red line away. And what two words make up classroom, Lex?
Classroom.
Class and room. And that one we can talk about the meaning because you have a class and we're all in a room. So it's a classroom. Matthew.
Bookmark.
Ooh, let's try that one. Bookmark. Awesome. We have a book. And then what's a mark? What part would be the mark? Sydney?
The book, what the bookmark's made out of, because usually they're lines and they look like a mark on a piece of paper.
Okay, awesome. It's a placeholder in your book, a bookmark. Yes.
A book bag.
Book bag. Let's try it. Book bag. Awesome. Yes. What do you put in a book bag, Ainsley?
Your lunchbox.
Yes, but think about your compound word. What clue would help you know what some people put in a book bag?
Book.
Books. That's right. Let's do one more. Lex.
Someone.
Ooh, that's a big one. Whoop, I can't spell. Someone. Awesome. Someone. One means one person, right? Okay, good job. Now, let's see if we have mastered learning our compound words. Now, I've got a little game for us, okay? Let's look at our directions up here. Which word do you think could be added to the first word to make a compound word? Okay, so you've got your first part, and then you've got 3 choices, okay? Matthew, what word do you think we could put with dog?
House dog.
Okay, this is the first word, so it would be dog. What?
House.
All right, boys and girls, give me a thumbs up if you think Matthew's right. Okay, Matthew, come on up and touch the balloon under house, and let's see if you're right. Yes, he's right. Good job. Okay, let's look at our next word. Sydney, what's our next first word?
Earth.
Earth. Very good. Sydney, what word do you think we could put with earth?
Quake.
Quake. Give me a thumbs up if you think Sydney is right. All right, everybody. Okay, Sydney, come on up and pop the balloon under quake and let's see. Yes, awesome. Good job. All right, let's look at our next one. Okay. First word is hair. Ainsley.
Scissors.
Scissors. Give me a thumbs up if you think Ainsley's right. Okay, we got a couple thumbs down. Matthew, do you have an idea? Thumbs down. Okay. Ainsley, come up and touch the balloon under scissors. It's a tricky one. No. You know what, Ainsley? I have to tell you a story. I tried that one on my daughter, and she got that one wrong, too. You know why we think that sometimes? Because you automatically think scissors when you're cutting your hair, right? Okay. Let's see. Sydney, which one do you think it is?
Haircut.
Haircut. Give me a thumbs up if you think Sydney's right. Okay? Sydney, come on up and try. Yes, good job. And the last one. The first word is cup. Matthew, which one do you think?
Cake.
Cake. Give me a thumbs up, class, if you think Matthew's right. Thumbs down if you disagree. Okay? Matthew, come on up and pop the balloon under cake and let's see.
Oh, no, actually.
You think it's not? Let's see. He's right. Yes.
I thought it was coffee cup.
Oh, you were going to flip it and make it coffee cup. Okay, but this is your first word. All right, so boys and girls, today we have learned about compound words. And who can raise a hand and tell me again, what is a compound word? Matthew.
It's a word that combines 2 small words together.
Yes. And we've also found that sometimes the way we think we can put some words together because they sound right, but then sometimes we find out they're not a compound word, right? All right. Are there any questions today about compound words? Okay. Well, thank you very much.